Hey, and welcome to the second video. In this video, as promised, we will take out the whole conversion kit of the car to see how long that takes, and so you can have a look at all the little details a little better than in the car. Therefore, I got some help. Behind the camera currently is Kia. She will help me to take everything out. We already cleaned out all the shelves, and so you can see what's actually included in the conversion kit. The conversion kit right now consists out of 6 parts that you can take apart to easily take it out of the car. These parts are got held together by just a few screws, for example over here. And to undo all these screws, so to take the conversion kit out of the car, you just need these 2 Allen keys. Let's go! And go!
Ja, genau, das wird.
Well, so we are finished and we are at 17 minutes 50 seconds. I guess that's even a lot better than I expected. That's awesome, but putting it into the car might take just a little longer, but that still should be totally doable in less than half an hour. So now the car is empty again and ready for everyday use, and the conversion kit is over there. So now that it's outside of the car, you can see all these straight shapes, especially over here and in this corner. It really looks so weird outside of the car, but this is necessary to make it this space efficient. So now that the car is empty and this prototype is sitting over here, everything is ready to translate this into a digital fabricated version. Therefore, in the next video, we scan a van from the inside before we start designing this in the computer and fabricating it on the CNC machine. So thanks for watching and see you in the next one.